probably Microsoft. I bet you. I bet you that Microsoft. I bet you that Microsoft. Microsoft. I bet you.
What? It was fun making fun of me all these years, wasn't it?
Let's get it. Back to the channel.
Yeah, sit down. Let me do this. Hello, ladies and gentlemen. I go by the name of GODGOTHAM Game, and welcome back to the channel. The second channel. Today we're gonna answer your boy Mightykeef, bro. I am Mightykeef, bro. Yo, I love watching Mightykeef video, bro. I always watch them. I watch all of them, bro. All of them. But today we're gonna react to this one, and this is how Sony react to Microsoft buying that ACTIVISION. And y'all already know, man. Y'all already know. I'm always with Xbox. This Xbox. Yo, but for real though, I still believe, like, you know, Call of Duty still gonna be on, you know, both platforms, both game systems. So you already know. And me, PS2 was the best console. I know I just ran right now. PS2 was the best console for me. We all know PS2 was the best console, hands down. You already know, man. And plus, all my friends got PS5, so you know, every last one of them got a PS5. I mean, I just like Xbox for some reason. I just like playing Xbox games. I don't know why. I just enjoy playing them. So you already know. Link up in the description below. Like, comment, subscribe. What I do, man. Let's get to the video. I'm gonna see what it's gonna be like. I just quality, dude. Let's slip in the face, Zaddy. Let's get it, Keith.
And Mightykeef. Gentlemen, I believe a toast is in order. A toast. For sure. And here's to 2022. 2022 it will be. And boy, do I like the word 2022 because it has a lot of twos. You know what else has a lot of twos? Horizon 2. God of War 2. Sony's gonna have a lot of twos. We can put out whatever we want. Hell, we might even put out KOTOR remake by the end of the year. Why not? And that was an Xbox exclusive at one point. Not anymore. He's funny. I love it here. I love it here.
Oh, so is this like Sony? It is supposed to be like Sony headquarters? How Sony react to Microsoft? So yeah, I'm assuming this is Sony on headquarters right here. He on doing.
KOTOR used to be an exclusive. What does Xbox have now? Huh? Nothing.
We got Blizzard, baby.
They have Starfield at the end of the year, and then what? Ass nuggets. They got ass nuggets. Sorry. What, Jim? I told you to not bother me while I'm in my gloating mood. Sorry, it's just, I think you need to take a look at this. What's the problem?
Oh yeah.
This is something big.
Love the phone.
What? All it says is that Xbox bought Activision and Blizzard. Who? That's against the rules.
But you know, Call of Duty still gonna be on both games though. So no, I'm assuming like, but I do believe they might. But I do believe that they're gonna make a like a new game. They're gonna be for Xbox exclusive. So yeah, but you know, I'm ready for that. I'm ready for that right there. Let's get it.
These niggas cheating. That's not fair.
Let's get it. It's only quiet, ain't it? Well, they quiet. Just pick the phone up, bro. Sure. That probably, you already know that probably Microsoft finna call them and turn up on their ass.
Your phone is ringing. I hear the phone, Jim.
That probably Microsoft. I bet you that Microsoft. I bet you that Microsoft. I bet you.
What? It was fun making fun of me all these years, wasn't it?
Yeah. You thought you can get away with it. We back, baby. Let's get it, man. I'm just playing, y'all. Y'all know. I love both consoles, bro. My friend got out of PS5. I still got my PS2, and I got out of Xbox. So you already know, man. GameCube still. Let's get it.
Who's laughing now?
Who laughing, bro?
Don't answer that. It's rhetorical.
Yeah, just keep quiet. Just keep quiet.
Because the answer is me. I'm laughing.
Yeah.
How'd you even get this number? Don't ever ask me how I'm doing.
Don't worry about that, son. Don't worry about that. Team Microsoft on, baby. Let's get it.
Doing stuff or how I'm getting stuff. I can do whatever I want. I'm Microsoft. I made computers. Bitch.
Put some respect on his name. Come on, Microsoft. Let's get it.
So what? Am I supposed to care? Huh? You own Blizzard, so? Overwatch and World of Warcraft have been trash for years.
Oh my God. Sony got no chills, bro. Let's get it.
Okay, but what about Overwatch 2, huh? What about World of Warcraft 2, huh? World of Warcraft 2. You can't do that. Can he do that? Oh man, I don't know, sir.
I think he can do that. I think they can do that. I believe they can do that, bro. I mean, they own it now, so you know what I'm saying?
This shit is crazy. For years, my library consisted of trash.
And plus they got, and plus what they everybody got what they call it? Is it Xbox stores, whatever that is? Yeah, we got all that right now. But yeah, man, let's just go on and on.
Trash, 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 trash.
I ain't gonna lie.
Fable,
yeah.
Gears of War,
yeah,
and trash.
Yeah.
But now, my library consists of everything. You'll never have Spider-Man. You think I give a damn about Spider-Man? Bruh, Spider-Man got all these powers.
You can have Spider-Man, son. You can have Spider-Man, bro. Let's get it.
Throwing tractors through buildings. And he can't even save his Uncle Ben.
Ooh, shots fired. Popcorn, Microsoft. Let Sony know, baby.
Huh? What do you think I want Spider-Man for? Where's Sony? We've been running this thing from the jump. And y'all never gonna beat us. Beat you?
We don't want to beat you. Microsoft don't need to beat y'all. Come on. Popcorn, Microsoft.
Have you seen my bank account, nigga? I don't need to beat you. I just need to buy you.
Ooh.
I got money, boy. Moolah. Cash.
Money.
Benjamins. Dollars. Dead presidents. I got stacks on stacks, nigga. Paper. Bread. Bucks. Cheddar.
Okay. Okay, bro.
I got dough. Coins. Bands on bands. I got cabbage.
We get it, Microsoft, bro. Y'all got it. Y'all got it, bro. Y'all got it. You don't need to do that. You don't need to be like that now. Come on.
Guwap. Racks on racks. Turkey. Squid. Shekels. Okay, we get it. You're rich. We got you. Loud and clear.
I ain't gonna lie. I thought Sony would have more, more richer than Microsoft. I thought that I always thought that though, but
Keep your God of War, your Horizon, and your Spider-Mans. All in the world and soon enough. Xbox out.
Woo!
Hey guys, this is just a quick thank you for sticking with me through all these years. I know last year I didn't produce as much as I wanted to, and I promised you that this year I would. So I am. More skits are coming, I promise.
Right.
And guess what? I've even made a second channel that I'm going to put the link in the description to. And the second channel is just going to be not skits, but more of like comedic gameplay that you'd be used to. So it's me playing games with friends, chopping it up, and kind of putting out just the funny bits. Channel art ain't even finished yet. It's going to be finished by tomorrow. So go there, check it out. You'll be the first to subscribe.
I will subscribe to you. And when I do, I'm going to subscribe. Let's get it.
Boy, that's just crazy.
And there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. Oh, yeah, man. Like I said, man, Microsoft. Yo, like I said, PlayStation PS2 was the best still. The best game system, all that, man. PlayStation 2, but yeah, man. Like I said, man, playing that, but Xbox now, man. It's all about Xbox now. To me, ever since I played Halo, bro, like. Well, ever since I played Halo, bro, that's all you just play Halo, bro. I promise you, bro. I promise you. But yeah, man, you already know, man. Link go by down the description below. Like, comment, subscribe.